This is my super delicious vegetable pancake recipe. We won't be making the dough from scratch. Instead, we'll be using dumpling wrappers.
It's shockingly tasty, quick and easy. Master it in just 3 minutes.
In a bowl, add the glass noodles and warm water. Rehydrate until soft for about 10 minutes. Discard the water, drain the glass noodles, and cut them into about half-inch pieces. In a large mixing bowl, toss in the Chinese chives, red bell peppers, shiitake mushrooms, and sesame oil. The sesame oil will prevent them from releasing too much liquid while making the filling. You can also replace it with other cooking oil. Followed by the glass noodles, oyster sauce, salt, and white pepper. Mix well. Lay a dumpling wrapper flat. Brush water around the edges. Place about 2 tablespoons of the filling in the center. Gather all the edges. Pinch and seal. Press it down with your palms into a pancake. And do the same with all of them. In a pan over medium-high heat, add the avocado oil. You can also use other high smoking point cooking oil. Add the pancakes. Pan fry until golden brown for about 2 minutes. Flip, pan fry until golden brown for another 2 minutes. Do the same with the rest. To make the sauce, add the soy sauce, Chinkiang vinegar, chili oil. I have always tried to teach my daughters to be kind to others, but many times I ended up learning from them instead. One day, my 4-year-old daughter said to me, "Mommy, we should always treat others the way we want to be treated." She continued by helping me to clean up the whole mess in the kitchen. That was so nice of her. Let's all treat each other with kindness and consideration. The world will be a happier place. Happy cooking and enjoy!
The type of pancake that has a filling inside, in Chinese we call it 馅饼. And this 馅饼 is so amazing. I love it. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like. And I'll see you again soon. Bye!